Ready?
Almost. Are you filming? Stop. Are you sure? Yeah, I almost asked if you're in frame. I don't want to do this anymore.
You know.
My hands are blue.
Why?
What happened to your finger?
Cut it. Okay. Do it. Do the thing.
What?
Do the thing.
Okay.
Take that stuff out. Put all of this in.
Okay.
Your mark, say go.
So are you timing me?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah. This is a timed event.
Mommy.
You'll be rated on speed and proficiency.
Okay.
You have to do it all by yourself.
Don't record it. They're like, oh, you're not allowed to sing that song. We've muted your video.
I don't know. TikTok Anonymous.
TikTok Anonymous.
Oh, yeah. Okay, don't scratch the new stuff. Oh, we have to take the hood off. We can do it later. Let's get this junk out first. Watch out.
Things are falling.
I think they were 3/4. We gotta use wrenches and ratchets. That thing ain't gonna cut it. Get the bagel. Seven eighths. It was 7/8. I lied. You know what we didn't do was put anything on these bolts.
Oh my gosh!
What? What?
You just like got a ton of stuff all in my face.
From way over there?
Yes, look.
Why do your eyes attract everything, including me?
Oh, stop it. Do you want me to hold the other side?
No.
I got it.
I'm holding it.
I want to do it too.
You gonna?
What was that?
What was what? It was just dirt that came off of the on the top.
It has like all these different colors.
Well, your hand has a bunch of different colors.
Not the dye. From slime. Oh.
Get in here. Get in here now.
I need you to break it for me. Okay.
Oh, here you use this one. Need more leverage off of it. Oh, this is a good opportunity for you to learn the trick of the foot. You hit your knuckle?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
I want to cry.
Put your foot on it.
Hold on. Ow. Look at my finger.
Good.
It's all like, you see it? All
Like,
swollen.
jeez. First time?
No. Look at, do you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it happens. Use your foot.
They don't hurt my foot too.
Yeah. Can you see how I did it?
No. I wasn't watching.
You gotta pay attention.
Oy. What do I do?
Use your foot. Just sit on the ground and put your foot on like that. Ancient mechanic trick. Not really.
Oi.
You gotta push with your leg.
Yep, I'm pushing. It's not doing anything. Nope. It's not.
We need to get you an impact gun.
What?
Impact.
Ugh. Wait, it's gonna. What are you gonna step on me?
What?
I thought you were gonna step on me.
I have no leverage from here.
There you go. I think.
Oh no! Here. Wait.
Is it crooked?
Oh, that's why. Put him on the other side. What are you doing?
You're the one.
What? Now use your foot.
I don't think I'll need to now.
Yeah, probably. Is that in the way?
No. It's fine.
We can turn. We can move it.
Where will fit in on there? Oh! 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 Got it! Yeah! Success.
Rice.
Rice.
Success rice.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I mean, we do need. We'll keep them with the controller once we get it out. But QA1 sent us all new stuff. Watch out! Oh, that was my ankle. Yep.
Could have helped you.
It's fine.
It's fine here.
Nothing really to help with. You know what's funny is somebody replaced these bushings.
Yeah, those
These
look
are newer.
You probably did it.
It wasn't me. I don't think. I don't remember doing them. Or did I do them? Oh yeah, I did them. I forgot I did them.
Yeah.
I didn't do the upper ones, that's what it was. I did do the bottom ones. Well, look at that. Did something right. Not really. Okay, now we gotta take the hood off.
And my gloves. Ugh. I ain't gonna do that. You should probably wear gloves too.
Yeah. Not on the struggle bus as much.
I got muscle now.
Muscle remembery.
Yeah. And I know how to hold it.
I hope the spring doesn't launch up at me. It'd be good. Send the camera flying.
Yeah.
You know. All that fun stuff. Alright. Take it out.
Take what out? Oh, the top?
I'm just
Is
joking.
it the top control arm? Upper.
Yeah, upper.
Control arm.
The topper.
The topper.
Topper.
I can do it.
What size was these?
That
Oh, I
one?
want to do it too.
We can do it together.
That's annoying.
What's wrong?
The steering shaft is in the way of that one bolt. It's okay. Here you go. I got you set up on that one. I can do it this way.
This goes on this, right?
No, it goes on here.
Oh, yeah.
Problem. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe I can knock the... Yeah. I have it on loosen for you.
I have to go this way. Right?
Yeah. You want to come over here so you have more leverage on it?
Yeah, I just didn't want to knock into you.
I'm gonna start looking at these.
Oh!
What'd you do?
Sequence against the car.
Don't scratch the paint.
Yeah.
World's most pointless piece of... Why did they start putting plastic on cars?
Well, this wasn't in the way. Then I could do it. Move. Get out. Over here. Careful, it might explode when you open it.
Nah, it'll be fine.
Levy.
What? It doesn't build up pressure.
Before you'd be like, why is she always sniffling really loud? Because I have sniffles.
Sniffleupagus?
Just cut it out.
Usually I do.
Okay.
Probably not in this conversation, though.
Alright, that's nice. At least you told me.
At least.
I just did it again. It's not my fault my nose is always running.
Alright, let me get this one out. See what's going to happen here. So what we did here is you can't get this off because the steering shaft's in the way. There's different places you can disconnect it, but we disconnected it down here at these two bolts and just moved it to the side. You can see in the book over here, this is where we disconnected it between just those two bolts. It wasn't too bad. A little prying, a little swearing. It's all good. So let's get the rest of this done. Yay. A little extra bleeding. Feels nice. What? What's wrong? Made myself bleed? Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Oh, I could put a ratchet on this now. That'd be neat. Or even just the ratcheting into this. I don't feel like finding where. Suck it. Ow.
That's there.
Yeah. You'll find with working on cars, you basically just hurt yourself on everything. Welcome to the adventure. Let's knock this off there. Oh, that came off a lot easier than I thought it would. Must retain the clips, or whatever they're called. They're gonna fall. They're all gonna fall. Why am I taking it out this way? Whatever. Yeah, we did it!
Yay!
Alright, let's call it a day.
No, we gotta
Just
finish.
kidding.
Oh.
Just joshing ya. You ready?
Beauty mode.
Beauty mode. What was the torque on this? I don't remember. I'll have to look at it again. Are you serious, me? Now that stud comes loose, we wouldn't have had to take that off. This hurts. Oh. What?
I thought you were trying to turn it.
We can actually turn at the same time.
Oh. It feels weird though. It freaks me out. Oh.
What are you doing? You trying to get close up?
Yeah. What kind of bird is that?
Pigeon?
Oh, it's a backwards one.
What? What do you mean a backwards one?
I meant the bird was facing me backwards. Never mind.
The bird's back is to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Squats. How did we do this? How did this work? Over the mountain through the woods to Grandmother's house to go? Yep. Can you hold it right there? Where's my hammer? Oh. Where's the bolt? Here's the bolt. We went too far, Captain. Now we're back to square one. Sun's out, guns out. Okay, now we can do this. I feel like the use of the ratchet strap would be vice grip approved. What do you think?
Yeah.
Got it.
Where's it on loose?
Probably not loose.
Dang it!
What?
Funny.
Because we're both doing it at the same time?
Yeah. Oh!
Careful. You hear your head? You bonk yourself?
Ow.
You ready to put shocks in?
Yeah.
Shock. Oh, shoot. We're stupid. We gotta put the dang spring on there first. Take it all off.
But I was wondering.
Hey, I haven't had coffee in a while, okay?
I told you, you said no.
Well, you're supposed to override me and say, no, listen, you idiot.
I was like, this
Coffee
seems not right.
And we're back. We read instructions. We figured it out. We know. We still don't know what we're doing. But we're going to do it the right way. Which is their way. The QA1 way. Deck a little bit more. Got it. All right, you can back her out.